Most entrepreneurs are plugging AI into their business without thinking about security. When you self-host an AI assistant connected to messaging platforms, client data, internal systems, automation triggers, security is not optional, it's foundational. But I did something different this time. If your AI assistant is connected to your Slack, your WhatsApp, your client messages, your internal workflows, where is that data actually stored? Because most entrepreneurs are plugging AI into their business without thinking about security. They're sending client data, internal operations, automated decisions through infrastructure they don't even control. And that's dangerous when you really think about it. So I did something different this time around. I built my own AI assistant on my own server inside secure infrastructure that I control. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it properly and securely, more importantly, because you don't want to get into trouble, of course. Quick disclaimer before we continue. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not business, financial, or technical advice. I partnered with Hostinger for this video because if you're going to self-host an AI assistant securely, you need proper infrastructure as always, and Hostinger VPS provides the secure foundation required to run OpenClaw reliably. Let's get into it, of course. When you self-host an AI assistant connected to messaging platforms, client data, internal systems, automation triggers, security is not optional, it's foundational when you really think about it. Once again, most SaaS AI tools process your data externally, store logs on third-party servers, control infrastructure updates, decide uptime and scaling. That means you don't control where your business data actually lives, which is insane. If you're serious about building something long-term, you need secure infrastructure first, automation second. That's exactly why I choose to self-host OpenClaw, and that's exactly why infrastructure truly matters. OpenClaw is a personal AI assistant platform that runs on your own infrastructure. It connects to WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord instead of AI living in the browser. It lives inside your communication stack. But here's the rule different. It runs on your server, not someone else's. And when you're dealing with business critical workflows, that security layer is everything. Look, if you're going to self-host securely, you cannot compromise on infrastructure. Hosting a VPS provide dedicated CPU and RAM, NVMe SSD storage, AMD EPYC processors, full root access, isolated virtual environments, weekly backups and snapshots, secure server level control. Look, this truly matters. It's like building a house. If you don't build a house on the right foundation, any wind is just going to knock it over. The same concept applies to your security, so that's why it's really important to make sure the infrastructure is right from the start. Your AI assistant will be connected to sensitive business data. You want isolation, control, recovery protection, stable uptime, of course. Secure access configuration too. Hosting a VPS isn't just an option, it's the infrastructure layer that makes secure self-hosting actually possible. Performance, scalability, and cost efficiency comes after that. Security comes first 24/7. I don't want to do the example again when I'm talking about the house, but you get the analogy. Surely, security is everything. Anyways, with that said, let's do the walkthrough so that you have a clear path on how to get there. First and foremost, go to hostinger.com/Yoma. That takes you directly to the OpenClaw VPS deployment page. Select the KVM2 plan. Here's why you should select that plan. Strong security to performance ratio, dedicated resources, enough power for multiple bots, easy scaling later, and then add to cart. Apply code that gives you 10% off a yearly VPS plans. Now here's the key. When deploying from the OpenClaw page, the application is pre-configured securely. No risky dependency installs, no random scripts, no insecure manual setup. Click deploy and that's it. Now inside the VPS dashboard, click deploy. OpenClaw is pre-selected. Now configure your environment variables. This is where you input API keys, secure access credential, platform tokens. Once deployed, your assistant runs inside your own isolated VPS environment. Hostinger gives you full root control, snapshot recovery, weekly backups, firewall level configuration, secure server access, Kodi AI VPS assistant for management. If something breaks, restore instantly. If you need to scale upgrade resources instantly. Security plus control plus reliability. Now let's run a real business use case. Now let me show you something practical. I connected to OpenClaw to Slack. Here's the workflow. When a new lead fills out a form on my website, it triggers OpenClaw processes data, actions send formatted summary to Slack, classifies lead priority, generates follow-up response draft, stores structured data. Now imagine that running on third-party infrastructure. Your lead data, your client details, your revenue pipeline. That's why secure self-hosting truly matters, because what I just mentioned here is truly risky if you don't have full control over it when you really think about it once again. Anyways, let's test. Form submission, Slack notification, AI summary generated, response drafts created, all processed on my server, not rented infrastructure, not external SaaS processing, my VPS, my environment. That's the difference here. Now the $1 million question is, Yoma, who is this ideal for? Look, a bunch of people from our perspectives, but the first people I'd say is founders handling client data, agencies managing multiple workflows, businesses needing secure automation, operators who value data protection, anyone serious about infrastructure ownership. If you care about privacy, uptime and reliability, this is how you do it properly from our perspective. Look, if you want to run OpenClaw securely with full control on infrastructure built for reliability, use my link that's popping up right now. Apply the code that's popping up right now as well for a 10% off yearly VPS plans. You get secure isolated VPS environment, NVEM plus AMD EPYC performance, full root access, one-click OpenClaw deployment, backups and recovery protection, complete infrastructure control, which is so powerful. Stop sending your business data through infrastructure you don't own. If you're going to build automation, build it securely so that you control the entire pipeline and your data is truly safe. Anyways, it's time for me to wrap up this video. I do hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I am rounding this video up now, and I'll see you on the next one, where we'll be, of course, going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship.